Hi guys, it's been a while, a couple years maybe just a year. I think my last video was I was painting some reborns. I haven't really done much of that for the last year. I think about it, I still have some kits and stuff, but anyway, I haven't really been buying reborns. I kind of was buying some smart dolls. I'm always buying little dolls here and there, but I haven't really bought any major reborns except for in the last couple weeks. I have one that I already opened. I should do a blanket reveal, and then I have this one. But I kind of wanted to open this one and share because she's pretty special. It's a kit that I'll start doing it so I don't sit and talk. It's a kit that I have saved that I still look on Reborns and eBay and stuff. It's a kit that I sold. I don't know if anybody remembers or if it even matters, but like a couple years ago, I sold half of my collection of Reborns to get a silicone. And around the same time that I was doing that, another silicone bubbles kit came up for sale, where the sellers said that they would paint the kit also. So they would paint the kit that they had, or they would just sell the kit blank. And so I sold another big chunk of my collection to be able to get her painted. I haven't received them yet. It's been, I don't know if it's been 2 years or going on 3 years, but anyway, so I sold a bunch of dolls, and this is one doll that I sold that I have missed. I do have her by another artist. This isn't the same one that I sold, but the one that I have is by Penny's Tiny Closet, and I love her so much, and Penny's Tiny Closet doesn't paint anymore, and so I have a hard time like wanting to like hold her and stuff because I don't want anything to happen to her. But so I wanted this kit again, and then I happened to see it for sale on Reborns by one of my favorite artists, and so I had to get her, and I'm just going to open her and stop talking so much. And I'm trying to do this with one hand. No, my video skills have not improved at all. If anything, they're going to be way worse than they were a couple years ago because I'm out of practice. So we'll try and do this. So I'm just going to go straight into her. Here's her COA. Some cute little outfits, which are fun. Oh, and I don't know if I was saying I haven't really interacted with my Reborns in the last few years either. Since I sold them all, I just kind of didn't lose interest, but just haven't done much with them. But I've noticed lately I've gotten some clothes out and I've changed some that it's brought back that spark. So I got a cute little passy, some outfits, and getting the other Reborn that I just got like a week or so ago, being able to buy one also brought back some of the fun of them, and then seeing this one and being able to get her has brought back some of the joy of them. So yeah, 5 minutes in and I have not shown the baby, so we'll just skip all this and go right here. Do people even do it like they used to do it? Let's see. Okay, she's covered. Oh. I really miss, this is one of the Reborns, not this one, but the one that I sold, is one that I think about a lot and think I wish I wouldn't have sold her. So I'm really excited to get this one. Just the coloring and stuff. These are cute. And they're bunnies. This one actually came, wow, I want to say Sweden or something like that. Norway? Even though I think she's painted in the United States. Here's her little feet. And I love this artist's texture on her babies. And her little hands. I'm not going to take all this off. My nails. I know she's going to be beautiful. I have 3 or so from this artist. Maybe just 3. So look at her. Yay! It's little Ava. Isn't she adorable? And she's painted by Tiny Gifts Nursery. And I remember when she painted her and had her for sale. I don't know if I had my other Ava that I'd sold or if it had been after, but I remember seeing her and really loving her. Isn't she cute? So she's not a new sculpt, but I think she's one of the cutest ones out there, and especially in these tones, these pink tones. My other one had, her top lip was really red, like she'd been sucking on it. And this one's got rosy cheeks. And she's pre-loved, but she looks pretty good to me. So yeah, this is her. Look, I'm gonna look at the paperwork really quick. I want to see when she was painted. So Tiny Gifts Nursery. Oh, she was just painted last year, August 2025. I swear the years just merged together. So I must have seen her and wished that I was able to get her because I miss my little Ava so much. I don't know what that is, but anyway, so yeah, I've missed making videos, but I can't see what that is. But I just haven't been interacting with my dolls. I haven't bought outfits. I haven't changed them. Sometimes they're still on display in my bedroom. I have like a big shelving space for them. And sometimes I will see one and I'll be like, I'm tired of looking at you in that outfit, and so I'll change them. But I don't do much else with them. I actually, a while ago, got a bunch of the baby blankets that I have and wrapped a bunch of them up and put them on the shelves wrapped up. But anyway, this is new Ava. I think I'm naming her Gladys. For some reason the other day I was thinking of what I'd want to name her, and I was kind of thinking she's kind of like a little unicorn, like a special little creature that I didn't think that I would ever have or get back, especially one from an artist like this caliber. And for some reason when I thought, what's a unicorn name, the first name that came to my head was Gladys. And so I decided that, okay, I will name her Gladys. But she's adorable. And yeah, I just thought I would share. I love this little bunny outfit. That means we're not going to get to change her for a week or so. I bought her a couple little things, which was fun. But anyway, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome, little Gladys. So excited to have another Ava back in my collection. I find myself going and searching up the dolls that I sold, the doll kits that I sold, and wanting to bring back some of the ones that I really miss. And maybe when I get my Bubbles kit back, it will have been worth selling them, but at this time right now, I'm kind of missing all the dolls that I sold for something and haven't received that something back. But that's another story. She'll get around to it eventually, and it'll be worth it. So yeah, here's little Avy, and yeah, hope you're all doing good. I'll see you sooner or later. Bye.